In this video, I'm going to show you how to do ClickBank affiliate marketing and make over $353, $400, $500 a day, as much as you want. All you have to do is rinse, wash, and repeat this very system. Now, this system is completely free. It's beginner friendly. You don't have to have an audience. You don't have to be super smart, because I know I'm not smart. And if you stay to the end of this video, I'm going to break down this entire method to show you one secret traffic source that nobody else is using. It's not TikTok, it's not YouTube, it's not any of this other stuff. And it keeps you away from all competition. You don't have to show your face. You don't have to be a personal brand if you don't want to. And it takes just 1 day, 1 hour even, to set it up. So without further ado, let's get right into the rest of this video. I'm going to break down this secret method right here for ClickBank affiliate marketing. Let's go. Now, before we get started on that, I wanted to quick go over why I feel a lot of affiliate marketers don't make any money. Now, if you've been watching this channel long enough, you know I don't give a what other gurus out there told you. I just don't care. Don't bring it to this channel. I don't care. I'm not going to listen to you. The fact is, most of them are full of and I hate to curse, but I gotta tell you, it is a lot of out there in affiliate marketing. It just is. Most of the 7-figure mentors and all that stuff out there are just trying to sell you a dream, a hope, and all this stuff to try to get you to sell their stuff. That's all they're trying to do. They're trying to keep the carrot in front of you like the little donkey in the cartoon, to keep you moving, keep it just out of reach so that you do all the work and they make all the money. I'm not for you selling all my stuff and turning you into some kind of an affiliate marketing zombie. I'm not a fan of that. My goal and my aim with this channel and with the infamous Joel brand is to turn you into your own brand online, whether that be just a faceless brand or a personal brand where you're okay being on camera like I am. Now, I can promise you, you can be a faceless brand, but we'll get into that in another video that I'm going to put out here on YouTube. But affiliate marketing, plain and simple, is really, really easy. It's been perverted, it's been changed and morphed into this other ugly, weird, multi-level marketing pyramid scheme thing, but that's not what affiliate marketing is. And if you failed at affiliate marketing, you've tried it, you've banged your head against the wall, don't beat yourself up too much. You were probably deceived by one of those big gurus. The fact is, what affiliate marketing really is there's a product out there, there's a service, there's a course, there's a something that you believe in that you think really helped you achieve XYZ, and you go and you put yourself, you put your content, you put whatever in front of people to also help them to get to that sale. But I think the missing ingredient, a lot of people don't find enjoyment doing an affiliate marketing business, and why they ultimately fail is because they try to promote stuff that really they don't really love and they're not really passionate about. I love make money online products. I love to teach people how to make money online. That's because I come from a world where I had multiple felonies. I always found it hard to stick to a job. I had no education. I was a high school dropout. So for me, making money online and teaching people how to start their own business is something that changed my life forever. And so I want to give it back to people and teach them how to start their own businesses as well. It's something I find passionate in. It's something that I enjoy doing. But it's not for you. It doesn't have to be for you. That's okay. When you're choosing a niche to be an affiliate for, think about what you find enjoyment in, what you are a fan of. Maybe you're a pet person. Maybe you love dogs or cats. There are plenty of affiliate products and services you could promote as a pet person. Don't think that just because your product or service that you're promoting isn't a make money product that you won't make any money. That's nonsense. There are plenty of 6- and 7-figure earners just doing affiliate marketing that are in all kinds of niches, all the way down to the coffee niche. That's right, coffee. So if you want the real deal on what affiliate marketing is and all my methods, all my tactics that I've taught several of my successful clients in the past, and a lot of them are now in 6-figure land and they've all retired from their jobs, then click the link down in the description below. I have a very affordable course on the subject. I'm not about helping rich people get richer. I want to help you. So that being said, let's get into ClickBank and what it is and why it's perfect for beginners. So the first point I want to make here, why it's perfect for beginners, is because look at how many niches there is. When you go into the ClickBank marketplace, we have everything from arts and entertainment, computer and internet, cooking, e-business, that would be mine, education, employment and jobs, fiction, games, green products. If you're familiar with ClickBank, you've seen this page a million times, but I'm just doing this part of the video for those of you who are truly beginners, don't know what ClickBank is or how it works. You've heard of it, maybe you want to start doing it. This is one of the main reasons that people love ClickBank, is there's so many different niches and industries to choose from for you to promote products. Now, if we click in here and we look at one of the best niches on ClickBank, which I actually believe is health and fitness. If I knew anything about health and fitness, which obviously if you look at me, I don't, I would love to promote the health and fitness niche because everyone needs it, everyone wants it, and it makes a ton of money online. So if we look here at the health and fitness niche, I'm going to grab my mouse here for a second, and you can see there's products on here that pay you hundreds of dollars per sale. Okay, you can see these little green $105, $123, $117. So you can promote a product here on ClickBank for the health and fitness niche, and you can make a substantial amount of money. Imagine just doing one sale per day. You can easily replace your job doing that with this method that I'm going to show you here in a minute in this video. Now, quick request here in the video from your boy, the infamous Joel. I just want you to hit that subscribe button if you're brand new to the channel and you want to make money online so you can leave your job and stay at home and travel the world and do all those beautiful things. Then hit that subscribe button because I show you how to live a life of freedom, passion, and fulfillment. And if you're not new to the channel and you like the value that I'm giving you so far, make sure you hit that thumbs up button. It's a beautiful, wonderful thing, and it's all I really ask for doing all this free content just for you. Now, back to the video. The internet is not a hard place to figure out, and affiliate marketing is not tough to figure out, right? All you need to do is put your products and services in front of people that are already looking for it, right? So if we put how to lose weight fast, right? If we're promoting a health and fitness product, we can see here that once we type that in, we get all kinds of results, most of them being ads. People paid to be at the top of the search results here. But if we scroll down more, you can see a few websites that more than likely these are just affiliates giving you their top 10 picks, giving you all this information on how to lose weight and whatnot, and trying to sell you affiliate products is a very common thing on the internet. But we don't want to use this tactic. Instead, we want to use the tactic that I'm about to show you here in this video. It's groundbreaking. Not many people are using it, and there's very little competition. And the reason we're not going to use that method of building a blog, a website to try to get in front of that traffic is because most people searching on Google or YouTube for that matter are looking for free information. They're just looking for some tips and tricks. They're not looking to buy anything. So you're asking yourself, infamous Joel, stop pulling the rug out from under me. Stop messing with me. Tell me what this secret method is. Tell me where I can put my affiliate products and promotions and stuff and get people to buy them every single day. And the answer is right here. Boom, Amazon.com. How do I promote on Amazon.com? Affiliate marketing? I've never heard of that. You mean affiliate for Amazon? Is that what you mean? No, that's not what I mean. Check this out. You can do ClickBank affiliate marketing here on Amazon. Now, remember that search that we put in on Google? What people don't really realize about Amazon is that Amazon is also a search engine. It also functions as a search engine. The difference is that when people search Amazon, they already have one thing that is totally different than people searching on Google. They have buyer's intent. As the world's most infamous marketer, I can tell you there's a huge difference people searching with buyer's intent versus people just searching to look for stuff for free. And that's something you have to learn throughout your entire affiliate marketing career. If you're a beginner, you have to understand the difference between buying audiences, hot audiences is what we call them, versus cold audiences, people just searching around for free stuff. So if you want to make money every single day, you have to figure out where are the hot buying audiences. Where is that traffic? So if we type in that same search phrase that we used on Google, we put in how to lose weight fast. Let's see what we get. Now I want you to pay attention to one particular book that came up in our search results that's actually completely free. It's $0.00 and it's a Kindle book. It's called How I Lost 60 Pounds in 60 Days, My Proven 60-Day Method for Fast Weight Loss. Learn how to lose weight fast. Now you're probably saying to yourself, infamous Joel, you just told me you don't want traffic or audiences that are looking for free stuff. But this is completely different. And why is it different? Because they at least came to Amazon to look for something. So they initially had buying intentions. When someone has a buying intention, they have a problem that needs solving sooner rather than later. So even though this looks like it's a free book, and it looks like if you did the same thing and you created your own free ebook you can put on the Kindle store, you're thinking, I won't make money off that book. But wait a minute, if you're promoting ClickBank products inside of that ebook with all the links, suggesting what people should do, suggesting your favorite products and services from ClickBank, you can make sales every single day because Amazon is massive. Amazon is the world's largest e-commerce store, and it doubles as a search engine, so those people who visit Amazon have buying intention, they get your free download, and they want to buy your suggestions. They need help making a purchase. Sometimes the Amazon reviews are just not enough because a lot of people know that the Amazon reviews can be flawed. A lot of them are fake. So instead, if they download a book and they get a lot of value from the book, you're giving them a lot of great tips and tricks, they will buy from your affiliate links instead. I personally know people who do this same thing and they make $300, $400, $500 a day. They get a massive amount of downloads and they make a really good living just selling ClickBank products. You set this up once and the money comes flowing in and day out. That's what we're all about on this channel, passive income online. And we can replace this with our 9-to-5 and not have to work anymore. If you want to make more money, just keep repeating the process and scale upwards. Now, if you want more tips and tricks on making money online, click this playlist right here. Watch more videos on this channel. Don't forget to subscribe. I'm the infamous Joel and I'm out.